Welcome everyone to my channel Everything PS. With you MD. In a new tutorial in our Premiere Pro course. Do you want to know how to stabilize a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro? Then you are in the right place to be. Let's start our tutorial. For this tutorial, I am working with the Premiere Pro project file 0703. Stabilize a clip. You'll find that project file with the media associated with this tutorial. You can download it from the link down below. Just double-click on it to open it in Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro has an effect that will often solve this problem quickly and easily. The warp stabilizer effect. Let's check it out. I've got a shot in the project panel here. Clock shakes. I'm going to double-click to open it up in the source monitor. And let's take a look at this playing back. Well, it's a nice shot. But it's definitely very shaky. I'm just going to take the video part of this clip into my sequence by dragging the film strip icon under the monitor. And I'm gonna put this down on the timeline. Over the kids rolling a tire shot. Because sniping is on my timeline. This is gonna jump into position at the beginning of the clip and replace it. And there it is. I'm going to the effects panel. And I'm gonna type in the search box the word warp. Then quickly you will find the warp stabilizer effect. And I'm going to drag this onto the clip. Premiere Pro begins analyzing the clip in the background. And if I go to the Effect Controls panel, you can see the frame count as it goes through that analysis. Once the analysis is complete, we can take a look at the results. That's a massive improvement, with no need to make adjustments to the settings. Over in the Effect Controls panel, I do have a few ways to change the results that we get from this effect. What I'm really interested in right now, in this result menu, where I can change the option from the defaults of smooth motion to no motion. You may notice the clip has zoomed in just slightly further than before. And that's to allow the movement to be fully compensated for. Let's take a look at this new version. Fantastic. Not all footage will have enough visual cues for the warp stabilizer to work with. But this can be a quick lifesaver when working with roughly shot handheld footage that you would prefer to be smooth. Here we go. We are done for today. Don't forget to sub, like, share, and leave your comment down below if you want. See you next time. Goodbye.